POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company, these guys. I don't want to butcher the name. It's Geoyeao, I'm hoping, but it's a 1080p portable IPS monitor. Another monitor that's portable and hopefully looks really nice, but it is similar to a lot of the other portable monitors that we've seen in the market. It is both USB-C and HDMI, so it'll work with really any device that supports video out via USB-C or HDMI or pretty much anything else, because you can adapt, clearly. So from gaming to computers to mobile devices, as long as you can, the device supports video out, you can use this as a monitor, and it's portable. So that's a big thing right there, because it packs way smaller than the laptop, lighter than the laptop, and it's just convenient to drag around, so you can have two screens everywhere you go. And if your device does support USB-C out for video, then everything can be accomplished with one cable. That one cable will be able to supply both video and power in one, so you don't have anything else running in between, so it keeps everything nice and neat for your connectivity. It supports HDR and has a 72% sRGB color profile to it, and it has built-in speakers. And yeah, pretty much, it's similar, so it's another portable monitor that's out there in the market. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, we're gonna see what it comes with. We're gonna see what it physically looks like. And then we're gonna, plug it in and see what it looks like in terms of performance connected to a laptop. So first, let's go ahead and take a look at what everything looks like. First, you have a nice, this is your portable monitor. I'm just kidding. It's a new LG bendable, no, it's just a piece of foam there that protects your monitor. You have some instructionals here. This is a product manual that just walks you through what the buttons do and everything. You have a free 12-month extended warranty card. And then you have a really big, use this as a giant coaster. Welcome to Amazon's best portable monitor store. Best portable monitor store. And here's 50% off of something else. So, get some discounts here just by buying this. Then you have a screen protector. It's just your typical screen protector to protect it from scratches, and you'll likely want to make use of that. Then you have your screen. It's pretty simple. It's small. It's tiny. But no case for this one. But what you do have is a lot of the similar options here. Again, you have speakers, internal speakers, both sides. And then you have your connectivity here on the side here. You have a mini HDMI connection, which converts to a regular HDMI connection, cables in here. And then you have a USB-C cable connection here for the devices that do support USB-C. And then you have a headphone jack here in case you want to use headphones. The only reason why you're going to be making use of that is if you're plugging this into a mobile device like a phone or a tablet that doesn't have a separate headphone out. So like the new iPhones decided to take those out. Shame on you, Apple. You'll have the option of still breaking out into headphones while using the monitor. If you're using this with a laptop, clearly you're not going to have to worry about that. On the other side here, you have another USB-C connection. This is going to be for like charging your devices and whatnot. And then you have your two buttons here. You have a toggle wheel that just toggles up or toggles down and pushes in. This is going to be for managing your way around through the menu system. Pushing it in is going to be your OK. And then you have your button here on the side, which is going to be your power. And that's it. It's pretty simple, actually. A lot of them are simple like this. And then we have the accessories, which is always exciting. These things usually always come with a lot of accessories. But right here, we have your mini HDMI to HDMI cable. And then we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. And again, it's always a preference to use USB-C if your device supports it, because this is the only cable you need. Now, if you are using something else, a computer or a laptop that doesn't offer USB-C out, or video at least through USB-C out, then you'll have to use the HDMI and the USB connection to be able to get power to the monitor with, while the HDMI just delivers data or the video. And you can do power two different ways. You can connect it to a USB-C port, that doesn't support video, but does supply enough power to power this up. Or you can use the wall adapter, which allows you to plug it into the wall. And then of course, if your computer doesn't have a USB-C at all, and doesn't even, it's not that it doesn't support video, you just don't have the port at all, you have a USB-C to just regular USB-A, so it just plugs into a regular USB port. It's probably best to use a 3.0 port to make sure you got enough power going to the monitor. 2.0 might be able to supply enough power, but the USB 3.0 is probably gonna be your best bet, to supply enough power to the monitor so you don't have any issues. Then you have a patch installation cleaning kit, this is just gonna help you clean the screen and everything, get it ready for applying this awesome screen protector to. And then you have a pen. They give you a pen. It's just a pen. It's not a stylus or anything, because it's not a touchscreen. They just give you a pen. You never have enough pens, but that's it. That's all that's in here. There's nothing else in this box. So you have just the screen. You have 3 cables. Which are your standard cables. Almost every one of these screens come with at least these 3 cables. And then you have your installation kit, wall adapter, and a pen. So all of this is neat, except we really want to know what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take a look. So what we see here, we didn't really do too much to the calibration of this. We try, whenever we're using one of these monitors, we try to get as much of the out-of-the-box experience as possible. Now clearly, usually we got to take up the brightness and whatnot because they usually come really dim, but take up the brightness, and we try not to adjust much of the colors beyond that, so we can give you that raw feel. What does this monitor look like right out of the box with a user-preferred level of brightness? And it doesn't look bad at all. This looks pretty good. Colors are decent, detail is decent, everything looks really nice. So we really can't shame this model at all, which is a good thing. We always love to find something that we enjoy playing with. So this falls into that category. So it's a shame it doesn't come with any kind of a cover like most of them do. But at least you get a really nice screen and you can come up with your own cover solution. But at least performance-wise, the screen looks great. This looks fantastic, and we're very happy with this. So there you have it. This is their 15.6-inch 1080p portable IPS screen monitor. And we'll have some information in the description as well so you can find everything. And as always, if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. There's that subscription button to follow us because we have many, many videos to come. And of course the comment section as well in case you want to discuss this. Maybe you have some comments you'd like to share about this monitor. Maybe you have one. Definitely make use of the comment section and share. We'd love to hear from you, and I'm sure everybody else would love to hear from you as well, especially if you have one. So for now, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.